Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I have something really special for you. I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to create fun and engaging games for your kids. And guess what? I'm not alone today. I have my little buddy Yash with me. Now Yash here is in the second grade and I want to create a math game we can play together using ChatGPT. My goal was to see if ChatGPT can create something that actually engages my 7-year-old, how accurate the game is, the game that it creates, and lastly, and maybe most importantly, is it kid approved? Alright, today I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you the prompt I used. We will look at raw reactions from my 7-year-old, my takeaways, and as a bonus, at the end, I'll actually show you how to create a UI without writing a single line of code. Ready? Let's get started. Alright, here's the prompt I used. I said, you are Mr. Yoda, Yash's second grade math teacher. You like making lessons fun and engaging. Create a math game of 10 questions where you progressively ask tougher and tougher math word problems based on addition and subtraction. Start off with an introduction about yourself and the game, and then ask the first question. Now, if Yash gets the response right, ask the next question after acknowledging he did a good job. If he gets it wrong, explain how to solve it correctly and give him another question of equivalent complexity. At the end of 10 questions, congratulate Yash on a job well done. Alright folks, next up, here's the raw recording of how it all went down.
Okay.
Greetings young Mr. Yash, Mr. Yoda, I'm your second grade math teacher. Fun and engaging our lessons are. Excited I am to play a math game with you today we are. Because I gave his name as Mr. Yoda, he's actually talking like this because in real Star Wars, Yoda talks like this, okay? In a galaxy of numbers we will travel and challenges we will face. Fear not, for the force of mathematics is strong with you.
Oh wait.
Are you ready, Yash? Then let's begin our journey with the first question. In a faraway land, there are 5 apples on a tree. If a friendly alien gives the tree 3 more apples, how many apples in total on the tree now? Answer you must.
9.
Oh, the answer is 9.
No.
There's 5 apples in-
8. 8.
All right, sir. I'm going to type in 8. Impressive, young Yash. Correct you are. On the next challenge we go. On a planet Zog, there are 12 space rockets. If 7 rockets blast off into the cosmos, how many rockets remain on Zog?
12. 5.
5. Amazing. Oh, excellent, Yash. Correct you are again. Now let's calculate the Once you have 15 lightsabers, he is 9 of them to his purpose. How many lightsabers does Once you have left? 6. Bravo, Yash. Correct you are. On we go to the next man challenge. It has far away. There are 20 starship. Each starship is 160. How many starships are there now?
Oh, 20.
Went wrong. Oops. Watch what happens. In a galaxy filled with droids, there are 45 astromech droids. If 22 droids go on a mission, how many astromech droids are left behind?
23.
23. Aha! Close you are, but not quite. If 22 go away from the original 45, 45 he's actually explaining what you did wrong apparently. Though I think your answer was correct actually, wasn't it?
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, dude, it was correct. 23 is the right answer. It says, close you are, but not quite. Let's use the power of the force to solve this one. If 22 astromech droids go on a mission, and there were originally 45, you can find the remaining droids by subtracting the ones on the mission from the
Yeah,
total.
that's what I think. 22. Look here. Here's what I'm going to explain. 20 plus 40 is 20. And 5 plus 2 is 3. So it's 23.
Yeah, so the answer should be 23, right? I don't know why it didn't. Careful. That's so funny. But alas, the correct answer is not 23.
Question.
How many of them are basking in the light of single?
Can you ask it, if it isn't 23, then what was the answer?
If not 23, what was the right answer to previous? Show me. Question. Apologies for the confusion, young Yash. I see the mistake. The correct answer to the previous question is 23. You were right, and I was mistaken in my feedback. Well done, you are.
Robots might actually not take our jobs after all.
Yes.
I think we're safe.
All right. In a galaxy. Master of Mathematics. Congratulations. May your journey in the realm of numbers do this. Okay, Yash, now let's tell our viewers, what was your review of the quiz?
I feel like the review of the quiz was like maybe an 8 because I got like 2 questions kind of mixed up.
Mm-hmm.
But what I am grateful for is that it isn't going to come after our jobs. So that's
your verdict.
That's a good thing. Yeah, exactly. That's my verdict. Okay, you aren't doing anything against that.
Okay, got it. But is this cool? Like you can actually give it a question like this, and it gives you a quiz. Is that pretty cool?
Mommy, don't.
Is that pretty cool?
Okay,
What do you? Yes.
I know the name is ChatGPT. You don't need to tell me.
But is it cool?
Yeah, it's cool. It's pretty cool.
Alright, before we wrap up, let's reflect on what went well and what could be better in our ChatGPT powered learning adventure with Yash. Now, creating this game with ChatGPT was a breeze. Yash loved it, and the flexibility for creating different challenges was fantastic. However, let's be honest, while ChatGPT is amazing, it's not without its quirks. Occasionally, as you saw in the video, we noticed that it can be a bit inaccurate, and we're not quite sure why that happens. Also, some keywords might unintentionally influence its behavior, like using the name Mr. Yoda. Now, for those of you who want to take this ChatGPT powered game to the next level, here's a bonus. Let's talk about creating a user interface for our game. Now, I don't know how to code, but I utilized ChatGPT to generate HTML, JSON, and CSS code for our game. My prompt was very simple. It was create HTML, JSS, and CSS code for the math game above, as you can see here. Then I used CodePen, which was an online community for testing and showcasing user-created HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code snippets. Now, CodePen turned out to be a fantastic tool. It acts as an online code editor. It allows me to input the code snippets generated by ChatGPT and see the live results instantly. Here's some raw footage on how that process went. Alright guys, so all I'm doing here is going ahead and copying this particular thing. So let's go back to this. I'm going to copy my HTML. Let's give it a shot, And then I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT prompt here, copy my CSS. And lastly, I'm going to go back here, copy my JavaScript. And holy cow, can you just see this? This is interesting. I'm going to just save this and I'm going to call this Yash Math Game. Alright, now you can actually see this particular thing. So in a faraway land, 5 apples, so you have this. You can just go ahead and submit that answer and it gives you the next one. Alright. Now the demo showcases a very simple UI, but with CodePen, you can easily tweak the code, experiment with different designs, and personalize the UI to suit our game. Cool, right? Alright, that wraps it up for this video. For me, it's all about the journey of discovery, and I think with a little creativity, ChatGPT can be a wonderful tool for creating interactive learning experiences. Feel free to do your own explorations, and I'd love to hear your feedback and your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI-related videos. Until next time, stay curious.